Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to get paid by watching videos. So don't miss any update and don't miss any important step, and please don't skip the video and please subscribe the channel. So don't waste any time, and first you need to have one app. Come on to Play Store and search for Vivi get rewards just by watching videos. So that's the app that have 4.6 ratings, good rating. That's legit and genuine website, genuine app. So 100% legit. And come on now to this app, come on to Vivi. So please don't skip the video. You will don't miss any important step. So that's the earning that you can get by watching this video. That's the earning. So I have 0. You can see in my balance that. So come on to play this video. I will play this video. I'm redirected straight into YouTube. So that YouTube is coming now. You can see that he's YouTube.
Guys, remember I did a giveaway a few months, quite some time ago, on the Oppo Find X. So some of you, quite a bunch of you have been emailing me, asking me to if I'm able to do a giveaway of another phone or anything else. So this time it's the same. I also recontracted my phone.
I will watch the video in 30 seconds and back.
So
Opening Vivi. Wait a little bit. You can see that balance have been added to my account. So that's the earning method, watching these videos and earn. So by subscribing the channel, you will get these money. Subscribing the channel, like and follow on Facebook and share. So that's the method in today's video. And they say that you want to sign up to Swagbucks, you will earn these points. So that's our today's method of earning real money. So you can see here my balance have been added, and you can watch these videos again and again. So that's our today's method for watching videos and earn money. So please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends. Bye.